Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Islam has now spread among all the tribes, thanks to Allah the Almighty, and thanks to the Holy Prophet, whose character was similar to the Qur'an. But there were still some malicious hearts that envied the pure invitation of Muhammad, and they accepted Islam only apparently.
Hind, will you abandon your revenge from Hamza, Muhammad's uncle?
I swear, I won't abandon it. Between you and me, I've assigned a slave who can use the spear skillfully to follow him in the battles till he eliminates him.
There is no doubt that you are talking about Weshi, as he's one of the best spear users among the Arabs.
Wait, here he is. Weshi, have you done it?
Come on, I'll guide you to Hamza's corpus among those who were lost in the battle.
I'll tear him to pieces. I'll rip out his liver and eat it raw.
Years went by, and the Prophet returned to Mecca, the most sacred place, as a victor.
O people, Allah's Prophet has brought an army that you can't face. Anyone who enters my house is safe. Anyone who enters the Kaaba is safe. And anyone who remains in their house is safe.
What on earth is your husband, Abu Sufyan, saying, Hind?
He has converted to Islam and became an ally of Muhammad.
How could you let him embrace Islam without your permission? If Abu Lahab did it, I would cut off his tongue.
Abu Sufyan isn't the same as Abu Lahab.
What do you mean? Hind, you who eats people's raw livers, I would remind you, if you forgot what you did.
Shut up, carrier of firewood.
Are you dispraising me with a title that was said by Muhammad?
I don't know what's right and what's wrong anymore. Leave me alone.
You've gone crazy like your husband. You are all crazy. Yes, all of you are crazy. You are all crazy. You are all crazy.
Here are some dates and milk, my brothers in Islam.
Abu Sufyan. Abu Sufyan?
Excuse me, that's my wife. Perhaps she needs something. What do you want?
I've never seen the people worshipping Allah the way he should be worshipped, except for tonight by the Kaaba.
That's true. But it is strange that it's coming from you, Hind.
Arabs won't come to Mecca from this day on except as those who pray while standing, bowing and sitting.
Tell me clearly what you want from me.
I want to convert to Islam in the presence of Allah's Prophet.
After you hired someone to kill his uncle? And after you ripped out his uncle's liver and chewed it?
Are you coming with me or not?
I don't dare to do this. Take a man from your people with you.
I will ask my maternal half-brother, Uthman ibn Affan,
if he accepts to accompany you.
Look, Abu Lahab, look at our glorious gods.
They have smashed up all of them.
Al-Lat has turned into dust. And the features of Al-Uzza aren't clear anymore.
Ume Jameel, I am hungry. Among the idols there was one made of pressed dates. Look for it for me.
Hungry. How can you think of food at this time? Get up, you glorious gods, and take your revenge from Muhammad and his followers.
Get up? Have you gone crazy, woman? These are just mere deaf statues that can neither hear nor answer.
Whatever. I'll feel animosity towards Muhammad as long as I live, and I'll keep fighting this religion.
Help me, help me. Oh, Ume Jameel, oh, Taiba. I am the master of Quraysh.
Shut up, and let us sleep.
Do something for me. The pain is killing me.
Do you want me to come closer to catch your disease?
Are you all leaving me to die alone?
No, we should all die with you to make you feel at ease.
You have such a hard heart.
My condolences to you. Only Allah lasts forever.
I've finally got rid of him. Abu Lahab was a burden to everyone during his illness.
Won't you wash him before you bury him?
Everyone is afraid of getting infected if they go close to him. Did you forget that he had scabies?
What are you going to do then?
The men have agreed to throwing water at him from a distance.
Allah seems to be very powerful.
Now you are mentioning Allah and Muhammad in every sentence. What have changed you?
I swear I didn't hate anyone more than Muhammad. And now I must at least pretend to show the respect.
Go away. Go away. I don't like hearing words like this.
I came to pay condolences.
We don't need your condolences. Leave. Leave. I'll go to collect thorns and throw it on Muhammad's way. Then I'll sit and watch him suffering from pain. We repudiate the obnoxious, and we relinquish his religion. And we disobey his commands. We repudiate the obnoxious, and we relinquish his religion. And we disobey his commands. We repudiate the obnoxious, and we relinquish his religion, and we disobey his commands.
And look, isn't this Ume Jameel?
She has passed away. It seems that she was choked by the rope that she had around her neck while she was sleeping, and the thorns that she used to collect have stabbed her body.
May Allah have mercy upon us, and grant all of us a good ending.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب، ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب، سيصلى نارا ذات لهب، وامرأته حمالة الحطب، في جيدها حبل من مسد. صدق الله العظيم.